Fish. Fish, fish, fish. Oh, big fish. On the jig, on the jig. Oh, nice bass. Oh, guys, look at this. Huge bass. Oh, there's a giant. Oh, my gosh. Let's go. On the jig. Guys, this place is right next to that tree. Look at that. Gracious, look at that. Biggest bass of the year right there. First one on the jig. Yeah. 3 pounds, guys. That's a new personal best.
Let me see the fish.
Look at that. That's great. Okay, guys, gonna go ahead and let him go. Nice bass. Go on. There he goes, guys. Fish, fish. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. No, it's a bass. It's a little bass. I thought I didn't have one on. I thought it was moss. Oh, jeez. Guy's teeth sharp. I thought it was moss. There you go, guys. Nice little one. Here's one. Good fish. Good. Oh, it's fighting. Oh, get the net. It's a big bass. Oh, 5 pounder. No. Okay, maybe not a 5 pounder, but it's a big bass.
No, don't do it that way. No.
Why not?
What, you got your line up too short.
Let's go.
It's the same size as the other one, but don't ever reel your line up that close to the end of your pole.
Sorry.
Then the line up no further than your rod.
Let's go. 2 pound 4 ounce. So not caught anything there. Yeah, baby. She's like. Oh, there's one. Oh my. I can't even reel. This is a big one. Yeah. No, it's a fish. Because it just drilled it. I think I need the net for this one. This is a nice one, man. Man, is this fun? 2.6, so yeah. No, it's okay. Nice one, guys.
Huh?
Nice one. I'm just gonna let it go. We'll catch some more like it. Oh, that one was ready to go. Here's one. Yeah. Fish on. Not as big. I just said it's not as big. I didn't say I didn't like catching it. There's a nice one right there. Oh, there's one. Fish. Yeah. right next to that wood. There he is, there he is.
Yeah, that's not good.
Wow, barely hooked. Look at that. He got bit by something.
Yeah.
Nice 1.5. Oh, there's one. Right when it hit the water. I just reeled it like once. Probably the same as the other one. Yeah. Oh, making a run. Yeah. Swiped at it. I said he swiped at it.
Oh, you got a willow leaf on there?
Yeah.
The other one had too?
Yeah. It's the exact same spinnerbait. Nice one. I just